Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Veo 3 for free, a new AI that allows you to generate high quality AI videos. So first of all, we need to open Google Chrome, and here, or any other browser, any other preferred browser, and here we need to type in the search bar Google Veo 3 and simply go and click on the first website here, Gemini. So simply click on it and you will see this interface, and here is the button called Try Veo. So simply click on it and it will redirect you to this page. And so basically here, if we click on the free version here, Get Started, if you click on it, it will redirect you to the Gemini AI, but this is not what we need. So basically, as you can see, there is no Veo 3 here. So to get Veo 3 in Gemini, we need to click on Upgrade button in the top right corner. And as you can see, it says more access to our most capable models, create high quality video clips with Veo. And basically it says that the first month is free. So if you will click on get offer and just simply type in your credit card, everything, etc., and then cancel the subscription after the 1 month, it would be free to you. So basically click on the get offer button, then agree to Google terms and service, and basically fill in all the gaps, and you will get your Veo 3 for free, and you can use it and create high quality videos. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.